Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you computer and we are going to discuss bookwork of chapter number 6, how to use the mouse. Before discussing its bookwork, let's summarize the chapter, what we learned in this chapter. In this chapter we learned that mouse is also an important part of computer. Mouse has 3 buttons, left button, center button or scroll wheel and right button. So, then we learned how to use the mouse. If we want to click any icon or any folder, we click the left button once. If we want to drag and drop, what we do? We click on the particular, we move cursor from the where we want to keep that folder or icon and we drop it. That is also called release. We learned about different types of click, that is single click and double click. We can listen music also with the help of mouse. For that we learned about the steps, and when we want to listen to the music, we have a slider at the bottom. In that also we have different kinds of icons: play, pause, seek slider, volume and stop. So I hope you have understood this. Now let's switch to bookwork. For that, open page number 3838. First, which shadow belongs to the computer mouse? Now 2 types of mouse are given over here. Which shadow belongs to a computer mouse? Is this a computer mouse? No, this is a computer mouse. Computer mouse also looks like a real mouse. You know why? Because it has tail like a real mouse. But this is a computer mouse. So we will tick on this picture. Now children, open page 4343. Question first, which finger do you use to double click? Now which finger we use to double click? We use our index finger to double click. Number 2, which activity of mouse is done on start button? What we do on start button? We click. So activity is clicking. We will write clicking over here. Question B, first, which button is used to stop the music completely in Windows Media Player? That is stop button. Children, we studied about play and pause, we studied about stop. What we studied? When we want to stop the music at the center, we use pause button, and if we want to listen to the music where we have stopped, we use play button again. But if we want to stop the music till end, which button we use? We use stop button. So the question is also asked, if we want to stop the music completely, that means at the end. So which button we will use? We will use stop button. Next question, name 2 things that make a clicking sound. Now children, by which 2 things we can hear the clicking sound? Yes, when we click an image, when we click a picture with the help of a camera, then we can hear the sound of clicking. And second is, when we point on something or when we click on computer, then we can hear the sound of clicking. Means computer mouse, one from camera and one from computer mouse. Now let us see how to write these hard words, children. Page 43. First, which finger do you use, children? Index finger. I will be capital. I-N-D-E-X. Index. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. Next question is, which activity of mouse is done on start button? Which activity is done, children? It is clicking. C-L-I-C-K-I-N-G. C will be capital. Now B. First, which button is used to stop the music completely in Windows Media Player? The answer is stop button. STOP, stop, BUTTON, button. Children, S will be capital. Number 2, name two things that make a clicking sound. Now which two things make a clicking sound? CAMERA, camera. C will be capital, and the next is computer, mouse. COMPUTER, computer. MOUSE, mouse. I hope you have understood this. Now let's switch to next question. Now next question is multiple choice question. Take the correct picture. Here pictures are given. We have to take the correct picture. A computer mouse. Now from all these three pictures, which one is computer mouse? Is it a computer mouse? Is this a computer mouse, or is this a computer mouse? This is computer mouse. So this picture B is keyboard. This is real mouse. So we will mark option number A. We will tick on option number A. Next is mouse pointer. Now which sign indicates mouse pointer? No, this indicates bell. It means thumbs up or like. This arrow, it indicates mouse pointer. So we will mark option C. Number 3, correct way of holding a mouse. Now children, I explained you how to hold the mouse correctly, that our palm should be here, our index finger should be on the left side, left button, our middle finger should be on the right button. So this is the correct way for holding the mouse. So which option is correct? Let's see. Is this correct option? No. Is this the way to hold the mouse? No. Number B, is this the way to hold the mouse? No. Yes, you can see left finger, index finger on the left button and middle finger on the right button. So option number 3. We will take option number C. Now next question children, fill in the blanks. Here we have to fill in the blanks. A mouse is an important part of a dash. Now help box is also given. Mouse is an important part of computer. So we will write computer over here. Number 2, dash click is used to select an item. If we want to select any item, at how many times we will click? We will click it once. That is called single click, because we have to just select an item. So answer is single. Number 3, dash finger is used to press the left button. Now I told you how to use the mouse. So which finger is used to press this? This finger we use. This is index finger. Dash click is used to open an item. Children, when we want to open any folder, any icon or any item, how many times we click it? We click it twice. That is called double click. Now let's see children how to write these words. D. First, a mouse is an important part of a computer. COMPUTER. Number 2, dash click is used to select an item. How many times we click to select an item? We click it once. Single, S will be capital. SING, single. Number 3, dash finger is used to press the left button. With which finger we press the left button of the mouse? With the help of index finger. So answer is index. INDEX. I will be capital. Number 4, dash click is used to open an item. Now which click is used to open an item? Answer is double. DOUBLE, double. D will be capital. I hope you have understood this. Now let's switch to next question children. Take the correct statement and cross the wrong statement. If the statement is correct, then we have to write tick it, and if it is wrong, we have to mark it cross. Number 1, The mouse is a pointing device. Is mouse a pointing device? Yes, mouse is a pointing device. It helps us to point the things on the computer. So, we will mark tick right over here. Number 2, releasing the mouse button is called dragging. Releasing the mouse button is called dragging? No, releasing means to drag and to drop. It means dropping. It does not mean dragging. So, this statement is wrong. We will put cross over here. Number 3, wireless mouse is not a cordless mouse. Cordless means wireless only. So, in this statement it says it is not a cordless mouse. No, it is a cordless mouse. So, this statement is false. This is a wireless mouse, you can see, and this is also called cordless mouse. So, this statement is wrong. We will mark cross over here. 4th, seek slider is used to increase or decrease the volume of the music. Seek slider helps to increase the decrease the volume? No. Seek slider help us to move the music backward or forward. So, this statement is wrong. We will write cross over here. Next section B, very short answer question. First, name the 2 types of clicking. Now, we have 2 types of, we studied about 2 types of clicking, single click and double click. So, here we will write single click and double click. S will be capital here and D will be capital over here. Number 2, how many buttons are there on a mouse? Now, how many buttons are there on a mouse? We have 3 buttons on a mouse. So, answer is there are 3 buttons on a mouse. Number B, section B, short answer question. What is a mouse pointer? Now, what is a mouse pointer, children? The arrow on the monitor is called the mouse pointer. The arrow which is there on the monitor, that is called mouse pointer. So, answer is the arrow on the monitor is called mouse pointer. So, children, I hope you have understood this chapter well and you have understood the book work and notebook work. Keep learning, keep studying. Thank you.